Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu, hey. Okay, hold up. I am feeling myself. Can you see this? See this? Pop. Can you peep this? Okay. I won't talk much today. If you like to see this bomb ass fluffy Marilyn Monroe bob-esque, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with stretched out hair. I did use heat to stretch out my hair. If you haven't watched this video where I stretch out my hair, trim it, give it a shape, and then measure my hair to see where my length is at, I'll link it up here so you can go check it out. And the product I'll be using today is the Shea-Avocado Curl Pudding by Saru Organics. Now, I'm particularly not a fan of curl puddings. It's because it does have this sticky feel, like you touch your hair and then you go like, it's super sticky. I don't know why that happens with curl puddings, not just this particular one, but all curl puddings that I've tested. So yes, this one does feel sticky. I've tested it out on my wet hair and I want to see how it will turn out with my dry hair. I won't be using a lot because you guys know I'm heavy, super heavy handed. I'll try and restrict myself and use just a little bit of it. But yeah, today we are testing out the Shea-Avocado Curl Pudding by Saru Organics on my stretched out, blown out hair. Now, I've used this product quite a bit. It's almost done and I'm pretty sure this hairstyle will finish this product. I'm being heavy-handed. Use guys, surely. Okay, I'll try and use half of this product, but bear in mind my hair is medium length, so okay guys, by now you know that I go in with my DIY hair growth oil just to thoroughly massage my scalp as I prepare for the hairstyle. On this particular day, my scalp was feeling kind of dry from all the heat styling, the blow drying. So yeah, I needed that scalp massage. So I'm doing a really deep side part because I want to go for that bob look. So let's see how it turns out. For the front section, I part from ear to ear just to get that out of the way. Here I'm trying to measure out how much product I'll need for that small section, and I ended up picking a lot, so I was like, probably should reduce this quantity because you know I had to catch myself every time. But yeah, I repeated this process throughout my whole head. And the reason why I love flat twisting, or I prefer flat twisting to like single twists or twist out, it's because flat twisting allows me to like section the hair as I style it, and this will make an easy takedown, as you'll see later on. When I do a twist out, I've realized that it doesn't turn out right. It ends up being frizzy. I end up getting a lot of gaps and space in my head. So if you're like me and experience that with a twist out, just try flat twisting. Flat twist outs are bomb in my opinion. I can see that the product is not reverting my hair despite it having water, so I'm really glad that the hair has maintained its stretched out state. Yani, even the ends are straight. For this front section, I decided to do a curve because that is how I want my hair to lay. So when you're doing your hairstyle, make sure how you set it is how it will lay. So if you want it to fall on face, make sure you do it that way. And I realized if you want that wavy look, you have to do really chunky flat twists. If you want a more defined look, you do like medium size to small size flat twists. And also this depends with the length of your hair. But yes, I didn't want such a defined look. I wanted nice and fluffy and chunky twists. And since I recently had a trim, I noticed my ends started unraveling, especially the chunky ones. So I decided to put up the palm rods in just to secure the ends. So one palm rod came out at night, but it's okay because I can see the hair had already set. And look at those ends, yes! This oil is a mixture of sunflower and castor oil, and that's what I'm using to unravel my hair. Make sure my fingers are well coated so that I don't cause any frizz. So when I took down the flat twist, I was pleasantly surprised, not only by the definition, which was popping, but the fact that the hair doesn't have any flakes or residue. You can see that I'm taking my time when I'm unraveling the flat twist. You know, most of the time us YouTubers are blamed for taking down the hair. I'm making the video move so fast that you don't realize the real time. You don't take down the hair as fast as the video looks. Just take your sweet time. It's just that we don't want the video to be so long. That's why we rush the video. Now you can leave it as is or go in with your pick. I decided to go in with your pick so that I can show you guys the full vavavoom. But I would suggest that if you're planning to stay with this hairstyle for a while longer, just let it be for the first time. It will end up getting bigger and bigger as the days go by. Okay guys, you've seen the results and I am shook. Like, I didn't expect this hair. Okay, I wanted this look, like kabisa, I wanted this look like bob hair and nice and fluffy, and whoa, like Saru Organics delivered. Now I think I've cracked the code when it comes to puddings. First of all, let me show you how much I used. I really tamed myself. Like, I didn't use much. Wow. So I thought I'd use like half of what, as in I think I used like an eighth of what was here, and it gave me this bomb ass results. Like, wow. Yes. So okay, so I said I cracked the code. The code is use it on dry hair. Now sometimes when you've stretched your hair and you want your hair to not revert, so you don't want to use anything that has a lot of water. Does this have water? I'll go through the ingredients. Yes, number one is water, but still it doesn't like make your hair revert, which is amazing because sometimes you want to stretch your hair for a style and you don't want it to start reverting on you. So this is definitely not for a wet hairstyle, like hairstyle where you are starting with wet hair, but it's a hairstyle, I mean, it's perfect for a hairstyle that is meant to be like dry hair, stretched hair. This is perfect for it, and you don't need to use a lot. It does give you I'd say soft hold, even though in here they do have aloe vera gel and flaxseed gel, which I am so happy about that, and beeswax. So if you've seen my is it hair paint wax video, you know wax does help with hold. So those three, and they're botanical, these two are botanical gels like aloe and flaxseed. I'm really happy about this. But what I've noticed about Saru Organics is that they keep improving their formula, and this is like the old packaging, the old jar. I bought this last year, so I'm not sure if they revamped the formula with the current Shea-Avocado butter curl pudding. I'm not sure, but the one that I'm using currently, the one that I have, pretty good. I'll put a screenshot of the ingredients list. So yeah, I'll counter check with the latest one and see if there's any difference, but so far so good. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Yeah, so I don't know how long this style will hold up, because if it's giving me a soft hold in day one, I'm kind of feeling like it won't last for long. This would be perfect for a hairstyle, like if you're going for a wedding, you can do this the night before and then unravel and then you're looking bomb. It's not a hairstyle that you expect to last like 4-5 days, but at least at 4-5 days you'll just put it up in a bun and let the remaining curls pop. Yeah, but for me, I know it won't last more than 4 days. Yeah. But all in all, it looks so good. And let's do the sticky test. Now, I don't feel it being sticky. I think also the fact that I unraveled using oil kind of like made it not so sticky. It does have some, you feel the product, but it's not so much. So also not using so much is an added advantage. You could say that this package, as in this container, is so small because it's 240 ml, but trust me, a little goes a long way. You do not need to use a lot, so it will serve you very well. Before I forget, these earrings are up for the giveaway, so be sure to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. And thank you to everyone who's been sharing, as in, you should see my smile when I get those screenshots that you're sharing. Like, thank you for sharing. And if you want to enter my giveaway, all the details will be in the description box. These earrings are up for the giveaway, among other awesome things. Trendy B fashion house head wraps. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link here so you can go see how to style the head wraps. Those are up for grabs, and I'll give you guys another thing that will be in the goodie bag soon. So other than this, something else is coming up, so be sure to enter. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. Let me know what you think about the product. How do you think my hair looks? Have you tried it on your hair? How did it turn out? Did you use it when it's wet? Did you use it when it was dry? I have used it both ways, and I can tell you this: it's better when your hair is stretched and dry. You saw I didn't even use any water. I didn't use a spritz bottle when I was doing this hairstyle. So it's best used when your hair is stretched and dry. Guys, I have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Would you want that? Like, I'm giving you bomb-ass content, right? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.